IPPeak is a professional provider of high-quality proxy IP services. To meet the diverse needs of our users, we offer a variety of plans. In this video, we will focus on introducing our Residential Proxies product. Our Residential Proxy covers 195+ countries and regions worldwide, with access to more than 80 million residential IPs. It is suitable for various business scenarios such as data collection, email services, advertising campaigns, and SEO optimization. This product adopts a flexible rotation strategy, allowing you to choose between rotating or sticky IPs. Within your traffic range, there is no limit on the number of IPs. It supports unlimited concurrent connections, offers a response time of less than 5 seconds, and is fully compatible with both HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocols. All our IPs come from compliant and reliable sources, with no hidden fees, and our pricing is highly competitive compared to similar proxy products. If you require higher traffic volumes or customized solutions, our 24/7 online support team is always available to provide you with exclusive offers and dedicated assistance. Our product not only helps you bypass restrictions, but also features a user-friendly interface, ensuring stable connections, low latency, and high-speed access. If your business requires frequent IP changes, residential proxies are the ideal choice. That concludes today's introduction to our residential proxies. If you are still unsure which plan best fits your business, feel free to contact IPPeak support and share your requirements. We will provide you with a tailored, professional solution.